Open hand, go ahead.
Cool. Nice. I opened this.
Oh, look at the box!
And I got this.
Yeah, you like my box?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Mom. I like this box.
Oh, and I
Very
got
boxy.
an apple. Yummy.
Can I see what's in it, Malachi?
Apple.
Love boxes.
You love apple?
Yummy.
You're not disappointed? You love it?
Thank you, Mom.
Okay, Micah, open yours.
I did.
You did not open yet.
Oh yeah. I can't do it. What do you think it is, Kai? I think it's a hat. Yeah! Yeah! Noodles! Woo!
Let me see. What do you get? What do
Noodles!
you guys get? Let me see.
Noodles!
You guys happy?
Yes. Now can I eat them?
Okay, alright. Now I'm gonna let you guys pick. Okay, you pick one present.
Well, thank you, Mom. It's what I always wanted.
Okay.
Thank you, Mama.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank